Hello YouTube. I'm going to show you how to transfer a POAP from one wallet to another wallet. Let us begin. How to transfer my POAPs to another ETH address. There's two things you gotta do. One is go to uNFT wallet, asking me to log in. So this example would be using a MetaMask wallet. Right now, no tokens are shown. We'll need to connect the wallet to uNFT. So you have to select the corresponding network, mainnet or xDAI. From here, I would go to, you would want to add network, specifically the MetaMask wallet, where you just add a network. This is the information. On the next page, you'll enter the below details. I'll have this in the description below. What you're making is a new network on your MetaMask to connect to, a new sidechain. So when that is added, it should look, you should have an extra option for networks to connect to, so you're going to want to switch to xDAI mode. But look, now when you go back to uNFT, you can see all the POAPs associated with this address. Confirmed, we are on the xDAI network on uNFT wallet.xyz. So what you'll want to do is add contract. The POAP contract is already in common, so you can click that. For the type is ERC721, that works. Now I am free to select the POAPs that I'd like to transfer. To transfer only one POAP, simply click the transfer button beneath. So like that. The squanch.eth. I'm going to send one. And we're using an ENS address. If you have a cold storage wallet, for example, like me, for this POAP collection, I have a ledger. Error, blind signing must be enabled in settings. Okay, I don't have my blind setting. It is enabled now. Confirm. And I'm reviewing it. Accept and send. There, it should say, oh, and then, yep, there's like a little receipt on the Gnosis chain. If we want to confirm he got it, let's go scan his address. POAP scan. I'm sorry, I don't spell squanch that much. There it is. Yep, confirm. That's how you transfer a POAP from one address to another. Now to get free gas, free xDAI drip. Faucets, that's what it is. So we're gonna look for xDAI faucets. I'll drop this link as well. This is how I was able to fund that transfer through uNFT. This one, the Gimlu community. Yes, this is the one you want to go to. I'll drop this. And then go to Gnosis chain xDAI. So the best way to get your address is just copy it right there. For that's for MetaMask. So I'm dropping that there. Request drop. I am human. Truck. That's a bus. If you do not receive a drop from the faucet within 60 seconds, the faucet may be overloaded. Please try again by clicking the button below. If you are using a VPN, please disable it. I am. We might have to turn that off. Pause for 5 minutes. Submit. Now we will see if I get any. Ooh, I did get xDAI. Look at that. When you finish transferring POAPs, I suggest switching back to mainnet with your MetaMask. And you'll notice it'll disappear from uNFT, that you won't be able to see it because it's not on the same network anymore. But that's it. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thank you. Thank you for watching.